January 24th. Our tiny republic was hit by a snowstorm from the United States with record amount of snowfall. From Skinkston, the President declared a state of emergency for our tiny nation, which resulted in every territory to follow guidelines for a snowstorm emergency. The Emergency Management Agency will be conducting drills and handing out aid to Pearsicans and neighboring Americans in need, with the help of the Ministry of Healthcare. PRMA also issued guidelines to all citizens to stay inside, ration resources if needed, charge devices, and keep flashlights. In Skinkston, at least some citizens are enjoying the snow, and even made a snowman called Jerry the Temporary Snowman. Still, we advise you to stay safe and follow guidelines. This is Talter Sronkite signing off.